What's up, YouTube? Out to the doggies. Yeah. Just dropping out video here. Come on, Coco. To keep track of what's going on with my life. So the latest, last video I do is trying to get back into HVAC. So I realize, I have all these years of experience dealing with AC, and I might be able to put it to good use, and start a new career. Florida have plenty heat, plenty air condition. Um, so I was looking into HVAC. I know, familiar with that, and yeah, so I make some calls to some of the companies, and I did some emails a few days ago. Emailed them a resume, talked to a few of the whoever answered the phone. Sometimes I get in touch with like the owner, sometimes the secretary. So yeah, just had a little conversation. So the general consensus is that right now is slow season for HVAC. So I have a jacket and thing. And cool. Actually, we're supposed to have a serious Arctic blast coming in, and it's supposed to be something like 25 degrees, something like that. So yeah, definitely not the best time for cooling, but we have some heating going on. But I guess people could live without that because we ain't really freezing here. But it generally is the slow season as well. Trying to rambling all over the place. Slow season for HVAC, and they don't do much heating in Florida, Mr. Man. So if you go and drop one, boy, I'll watch him. What's up, Marley? Ready to go, Mister? So yeah, I did that a few days ago, and then yesterday I make some calls. I had some errands to run, so I print out my resume and stop in like the supply house and one two of them little HVAC places close by. Come on, Miley, and talk with whoever there. So again, it's the slow season for HVAC, so everybody likes and probably like March. So we'll see how it goes. I like talking to people, like making contacts. I think that's cool. I realized was while looking around at HVAC jobs, I realized there's also like refrigeration jobs, and HVAC and refrigeration is two different things. They also have commercial HVAC, uh, AC for other buildings, I guess, commercial stuff, commercial buildings, and refrigeration dealing with more like chillers, groceries, that sort of thing. So I find that was interesting too, and I guess the commercial have probably a little more constant work compared to the residential HVAC, which might have this cold season, and refrigeration. I don't think they just really play. I think that's like a constant go, and they're all different type of work, same kind of cooling stuff. So I was kind of thinking about that. I'm thinking about I gotta go pick up Mr. Man poopies. So I'm thinking about that, and just considering everything in my head and playing around with it, and I want to see if I probably do my EPA business, EPA 608 sometime soon. Maybe within the next week or two. I ain't really rushing because I had time. And yeah, just continue to have these conversations and see what happens and see if anything work out. I'm even too sure if I will really like getting back into the trade. So yeah, the idea is to, I guess, get a little N, get inside. I could play around with that for a little month, 2, 3. If I make 6 months, see how it go. If I make 6 months and in it, I probably might be enjoying it. I might stick around. So that's the update and see how things go. Best of luck, brother man. Hope you figure out what you're going to do with your life, I guess. Yeah. All right, guys. YouTube, take it easy.